entries, we click on new entries and we give like this, na, ZAPL, then give the name, then give the like this controlling area same as company code, then company code currency. When you press enter, all this will come automatic.
Sorry,
Here
sir.
we
Here, for my company code, for the one company, when I have entered the currency type, it showed all the details like physical year variant, chart of
it
account,
will,
all
yeah,
this
when
thing.
you enter
But
the currency type, it will come.
yeah, but other company codes, it's not showing, sir. When I'm entering the CO area is equal to company code, there, na, sir. When I'm entering there, only it's showing all these details. For other remaining company codes, for one company code, it's worked, sir.
It's okay, fine. You have entered manually.
No, there, in the first column, cost area is equal to company code there. Now, there I have entered my company code, then it's showing all these details.
Yeah, either way,
Mm.
it's fine. No, end of the day, the data should be coming here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So after you create this, what you do, guys? After you create this, you created like this, na, controlling area. You created ZAPL. Select ZAPL. What is my controlling area? ZAPL, na? Did
ZAPL
we did
only.
not save?
Yes, sir, saved.
It's not there, na? Uh, Just 1 minute. Okay, KP. Okay, KP. Position ZAPL. It's not there. Okay, new entries. Let me create ZAPL. ZAPL controlling area. Controlling area same as company code. Currency type 10. When I press enter, it will come now. Okay. See, it's not coming now. For me also, it's not coming. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So chart of account, fiscal year, cost center, standard hierarchy we create now. Yeah. Okay. Saka does not exist. Some problem is there, guys. Just 1 minute. Oh, data gone. Okay, just 1 minute, guys. I think I have changed the server. Yeah. 1 minute. Sorry. This is a client, a different client I mean. Okay, I understood now. So let me log off. Let me log off. Okay. I log into another client now. Yeah, 800. No, previously I was in 810. Yeah, that's why it is not there. Okay. Yeah, now it should be okay. Fine. So let me go to OKKP. Here, position. What is my controlling area? ZAPL. Yeah. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. So I was in the another server. Yeah, don't worry about it. Next, select ZAPL. ZAPL, and we have given ZAPL na like this. Correct na? Yeah. Is anybody talking? Any questions is asking?
No, sir. This is
No.
fine.
Okay. So
Sir,
this,
we are recapping the previous class, right, sir?
just I'm showing you how we created the controlling area.
Okay.
Okay. Then we
So
are
in my
going, yes.
so in mine it doesn't show numbers like the one. It just shows controlling area same as company code, but there's no
This
number.
number one, huh?
Yes, sir.
What
Not
to
for
do,
me.
guys, to get the number? What to should we do, guys?
Customize the layout.
You have to go, ma. You have to go. I showed you, na. You have to go to this layout. Okay. Just 1 minute. Let me show you. Um,
On the top itself.
yeah. So I think
Yes,
I've shown you, na, before as well. To get the numbers, what you have to do, guys? You have
Customized
to go
layout.
layout. You have to go. Okay. 1 minute. I'm sharing.
Local layout.
Just 1 minute. Okay, done. Now you go to 1 minute. I'm sharing the screen. Yeah, you go there. You go there. Then you go to this one. Options. Options. Then you go to visualization. In visualization, here, interactive design. In that you go to visualization. Then you go to these two things. You tick these two, ma. When you tick, you will get it. Is it clear? Whoever has asked it. So others
Yes, sir.
also, no, whoever is not getting the number, do this, guys. Okay, what you have to do? Go to this, customize local layout, and then you go to options. Then you go to interactive design. In interactive design visualization, in that you take these two things. Yeah, apply. Okay. Apply and okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, right now let me go back to my screen. Just one. Yeah. Okay, good. So now next after doing this, what I do? Assignment of company codes. Assignment of company codes. Okay. Yeah. Then what you do? You click on
New
here,
entries.
you give new entries and you give, no? Yeah, already I have given, right? That's why it is not giving me the new entries. Okay. Then what you do? Click on activate components. Then you do this. Okay. You activate this, and this, and then tick all this, save it. That's it. That is my step number 1. Okay, good. Next one, define number range for the CO documents. Define number range for CO documents. Yeah, okay.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, I'm still getting that F1 issue, sir.
What issue?
Help, sir. F1 to see the table and technical field of a particular field.
What is happening?
I am not getting that performance assistant tab, sir, after clicking on F1. Yes.
Others you are getting, guys? Others?
Yes, sir. I mean, we are able to see tables.
Okay. So any other people facing the same problem in the class? Not able to see F1? Everybody able to see, guys?
Yeah, today I'll try it, sir. Yesterday I have not tried it, sir.
Okay, okay. Yeah, you put it on Telegram na, and connect with Venkat. Na? Who is
Okay.
that? Who is facing the problem?
Vamsi.
Vamshi, na? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
maybe user profile. Some all accesses are not there, na? Yeah, so then we will see. First, you connect with admin team and Venkat. You connect and tell him this is the issue I am facing. Okay.
Yes, sir. I
Take,
already posted in Telegram.
yeah, take the picture, put it to Venkat. Yeah, let's see.
Okay.
Right. So now, this part is over. First part is over, right? Yeah. So tables part you are clear now, all of you. Huh? What is the table for accounting document header data?
PKPF.
SK,
BKS.
BKS,
Hmm?
BKPF,
BKPF. Accounting document line item data?
BSEG.
BSEC. GL document open items?
BSA.
BS. GL document cleared items?
BSAS,
AS. Vendor open items?
BSIK,
BSIK,
Vendor cleared items?
BSAK,
BS8,
Customer open items?
BSID,
BSID,
Customer cleared items?
BSAD,
BS8,
Vendor general data?
LFA,
Vendor company code data?
B1,
Customer vendor bank data?
LFBK.
Vendor purchase organization data?
LFM1,
Customer general data?
KNA1,
Customer company code data?
KNB1,
Customer bank data?
KNBK,
Customer sales area data?
KNBB,
KNVV. Okay, right, right. So asset tables AN, LA, na? Yeah. What is it?
ANL,
Master Record,
ANL,
ANLA,
master data. ANLB,
depreciation data,
depreciation data. ANLC,
value data, asset value
value
data,
fields, value field,
value fields. Okay. Yeah, master data is the ANLA, depreciation area data ANLB, and value data, that is assets values and all, they will go to ANLC. Okay, enough, more than enough. Now let me go to, yes.
So the table, the T codes, that classes I was travel, that's I am not. I take the note only. If you have the notepad that the T codes is, can you please to show that I will take the copies.
SC11 and SC16, this is it. Okay, you can take.
These are.
Yeah, that's it.
These are the ones, sir. 1 second, sir. I will take the copy, sir.
Yeah, I couldn't hear you last few classes. Huh? Your voice was missing.
Yes, sir. I was travel, that's it.
All right.
So,
Okay, that's it done.
that's the only, sir, or something more, sir. These are the code, or
This is it.
this. Oh, 1 second, sir. I will take it one more, sir.
Okay, these are the two important T codes, SC11 and SC16 here.
Okay. That's all, sir.
That's all. Yeah.
So, sir,
I am asking
the K.
3 times year shifting process.
Uh-huh.
I'm asking 2 to 3 times year shifting process. What?
Year shifting process nodes you want, huh?
No, sir, process.
Process we have done not once, not 2-3 times we did. So what is the error you are facing? Any error?
No, sir, I have that class.
Yeah, but that is not such a big thing, na? Correct, na, guys? Others? Huh?
yes, sir.
We have already done it before assetting itself. We have done the steps.
For asset.
For asset accounting itself, we have done 2 times we did. Third time I showed you. Okay, this is it, na? You noted this?
Yes, sir.
No, not you, Devender.
Sir.
You know this one, OB52, you don't know? OB52, step number 9, enterprise structure.
Yes, sir.
You know this or not?
Yes, sir.
You know this. OBH2, you know?
PH2.
OBH2. Very simple step it is. OBH2. What is there to worry about it? OBH2. You go, give it. The screen itself will tell you what to do. Company code you give. Number range 01 to 99 you give. All number ranges you give. Then for source fiscal year you give 2024. To fiscal year 2025. Over. Execute. That's it.
Okay.
Over, na?
Okay.
Step number 2 also over. This FS00, you know? GL account create. You know this.
Yes.
Then you run this. This is a just execution T code it is. Yeah, you go to FAGL. You go to FAGL. FAGL, GVTR, na, you go there. And then you give the ledger, na, 0L ledger you give. And then you give the company code, your company code. 0L, not OL.
Okay, sir. 0.
It is 0L, yeah. Some people are giving OL, na? Not 0L, na? So, to fiscal year 2025. Tick this. Execute over, finish. First you do the test run, then remove the test run, execute.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Okay.
Now, yesterday somebody was asking balances not carried forward. The balances became not 0. Is it solved, ma? Whoever has asked. Yeah. So the question is, when you do FS10N, na, balances, what will happen? Your suppose your bank account is there, na? Your company code is there, ZAPL, na? Your fiscal year is there, 2025. The balances will carry forward. You see this? And then this is the transaction happening in the new year, na? This is the old cumulative balance, carry forward. Okay, this is all the balance sheet accounts. Balance sheet accounts, it will happen like this. It will be carry forwarded from last year into new year. Understood? This year, no transactions.
Yes.
What happened to my expenditure accounts? What will happen, guys?
100.
Expense and
Retained.
revenues, what will happen?
It went to retained earning.
They will go to retained earnings. So what data will be there in 2025?
0.
0, you see. No data because they have been knocked off and taken, the net balance is taken into retained earnings. You can take any account, they become 0 now. See? Got it? Yeah. Now, you can take your expense 4,81,000 also. This P&L accounts, they get knocked off. Got it clear? Good. Okay, now, okay, so now let's go to your, okay, this one you are clear, Devender? FAGL you are okay. Then this one?
F.0.
That is also simple, no? So /n F.07 you go and then you give like this, na, company code you give. You give select the vendors or customers, whatever you want to give from number to number. You give like this. Yeah, you give like this. Customer numbers you give. Customer numbers from this to this. And then you execute, na, test run. Execute over. Clear? First do test run, then execute over. Clear? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, now let us go to our step number 2, na? Define number range for the CO documents. Define number range for CO documents. Okay, 1 minute. Yeah. Yes, Leepika?
Nothing, sir. I just
No.
joined late because I'm not well. So
No problem. No. So now define number range for CO document. CO means controlling documents. Understood? Okay, what is this is? Now I told you what we are doing in CO. In CO, what we are doing? We are doing the analysis. Correct? Analysis of what?
Financial, FI
Data
module.
posted in
FI.
FI.
FI module.
Correct. So to do analysis, I need to take the data from FI to CO, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So how I will take the data? So imagine this is my FI module. Correct. This is my CO module. So what I do now in FI module, I have one GL account is there. Na? Suppose rent GL account is there. Okay. So now suppose I am posting say 1 lakh rupees 1 lakh to GL account where I will post in FB50. In FB50 in FI module I am posting na rent I am posting. Okay. Now this data I want it to come to CO also here. I want it to come in here. So how it will come? See, once this data comes into CO, in CO I will do the analysis, correct? So this data I want it to come to CO. So what we do is, see, all the data is posted to GLs now. Finally it will come to GL, right? Yeah. So what we do, we will convert GL accounts into cost elements. Okay, convert GL accounts into cost. Okay, so what is a cost element? No. Cost element is the cost and revenue carrier, you know, no? Carrier, it will take it. Carrier from FI to FI module to CO module. So what we do? We will convert revenue and cost GL accounts into cost elements. See, balance sheet accounts we don't take it here. Cost and revenues we take. So once we convert them into cost element, what will happen? Suppose this rent I made it a cost element. Correct? Yeah. Once I make it a cost element, this data will come into here also. Understood? Like this we will get. Before it is a cost element, it will not come. But once the GL account is converted into cost element, the data will come into CO also. Correct? That is. See? How do I say? See, now I want a second copy for my analysis. See, suppose, okay, how do I say it? Suppose I am writing on a white paper. Whatever I am writing on a white paper, I want a copy of it in another paper. What I do, guys? I put the carbon copy na in the middle.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes.
So I put. So whenever I am writing on the first white paper, a copy of it will automatically come on the second white paper. Na?
Yes, sir.
That is what we are doing here. So when you convert a GL account into cost element, the copy of it will automatically go to CO also. Is it clear? At the same time, na, automatically real time basis. So this copy is not happening no tomorrow, or you are not manually copying. Whenever you do in FI, it will automatically go to CO. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
That is the cost element. Before cost element, it will not come. Data will remain, see, only white paper I am writing, no carbon copy. It will remain in white paper only. But once I put another paper and put the carbon in the middle, it will go to the next white paper also. Na? Same way here also. If I make the GL account as a cost element, the data will flow to CO also. Is it clear? That is.
Yes, sir.
So till now we did not make it. See here, I will show you where you make it a cost element, na? GL account. See, we go here. Here there is edit cost element. You see? See, this button we not used. This is it. So this is where we will make it as a cost element. Here. Okay?
For expenses and income, so only we
Only we do. Correct. For expensing only we will. Edit cost element you can see. So that GL account number, we will create it as a cost element. Once you make it a cost element, whenever you post this account, the data will go to CO also. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But here, yes, you are clear, everybody?
Sir, basically, cost centers comes into the.
No, I did not use the word cost center at all. Did I use the word cost center till now? No. Cost center will come. I am talking about cost element. Okay. Now, Sudarshan Reddy, noise from your side. Okay.
So we usually convert all the expenses and income GLs into cost elements or only any?
No, all.
All, okay.
Next. So what I do? Sudarshan Reddy, noise. So mic problem is there. Are you talking or is it a noise? Okay. Now, everybody clear on this cost element concept? Whenever the GL account is converted into a cost element, the data will automatically flow from FI to CO. You are not manually copy pasting, not copying in the evening, not like that. On real time basis, automatically, it will go to CO. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is one important point. Here, when you are giving, when this GL account is a cost element, imagine we made it as a cost element. So now this GL account is a cost element. We upgraded. Correct. We upgraded. It's a cost element now. Correct. It's a cost element. So once it's a cost element, what will happen? The data will flow to
FI to
From
CO.
CO.
But here, once it is a cost element, it will start asking one important question. It will ask you one question. It will ask, what is the cost object? Now it will ask you CO object. It will ask. Okay. Once it is a cost element, whenever you are spending, it will ask you what is the cost object. It will ask. Object means what? See, cost object means you are spending this rent you are paying, this rent you are paying, 1 lakh you are paying, right? For whom you are paying? Which department? Understand? Right. So cost object is an object that is taking the cost. It can be one. It can be a cost center. It can be a cost center. Cost center means cost center is a center where we are incurring the cost. It is nothing but a department. Correct? That is a cost center. Like, finance department or finance cost center, both are same. Understand? HR department, HR cost center. where you are a center where we are cost center, a center where we are spending the money, incurring the cost. You understand? Right? Center, cost center, a center where we are incurring the cost. That is cost center. Is it clear? Yeah. It is nothing but like a department. Great? Good. Now, second one we call it as a internal orders. Order means it is like this is used when you want to collect the cost of a specific job. Yeah. So this is used when we are incurring when we are spending the money, when we are spending for a job, event or a task, right? Or a task. Okay. Yeah. Next one, third one is the WBS. Okay, this is my work breakdown structure. No doubt.
Sir, can you give one example cost object can be cost center. Apart from cost center, what can be the most probable example other than cost center?
Here is there no 1, 2, 3. Correct? It can be a cost center, or you are spending money sometimes on annual day event, Christmas party. You are spending money on exhibition. All those, they are not department wise, no? Correct? Annual day event, can you say this is belonging to HR department? Can you give? Annual day event, all employees will attend or only HR people will attend?
This is product testing, sir.
Correct? All employees will attend or only HR people will attend? Annual day.
All employees.
So can you say it is belonging to HR department? Cost? No, right? That's why this is a internal order they will create for the annual day. Is it clear? Yeah. So for any job, event or a task, we will do like this. Okay. Yeah.
What is third one, sir? Work breakdown structure.
Work breakdown structure means it is used in case of projects. Used in case of projects. Project management. Okay. See, suppose there is a big project is there. Now it is very difficult to collect the cost of entire project and manage it, no? Very difficult. So they will break down the project into WBS elements. Then they will do for it separately. Okay, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, right? Like that we will take the cost. Okay, like for example, now work breakdown is there. Suppose you consider marriage as a project. You know marriage, na? Indian big fat weddings, na? Akash Ambani, you know?
Yes.
You know, na? All of us read, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So imagine, consider Anant Ambani. Okay. Akash already married. Okay. Now, wondering if they had a third son, na? Thank God there is no third son, right? Yeah. Now, just kidding. So now here, project management is there. So now, if there is a big project, yeah. Now, the project management, now when you are considering marriage as a project, how you want to control the cost? Marriage expenses you want to control. What you will do, guys? You will divide, clothing separate. Correct? Yeah. Food expenditure separate? Yes. Photography and other things separate. Correct? So when you break them like this, it is easy to manage or not? Correct? You allocate the funds, na? Okay. Food expenditure, this much only. Correct? Then decoration, this much only. Photography, this much only. Dresses, this much only. Correct or not? You divide them, or will you do marriage all mix? Come on, go. Whatever you want, you spend.
No, sir, we will divide.
That is what is work based. Work breakdown structure. So when you break down the big project into WBS elements, for them you can allocate budget, you can control them. Na? So dresses, this much only means this much only. Food, this much means this much only. Na? It is better or not? So is it easy to manage using WBS or full project is better? Which one is better? Right? Understood everybody, WBS? Can you, your voice is very low, first of all. Cost center, I am coming there. I'm coming there, but WBS you understood? Maybe.
Yes,
No,
sir.
cost centers in the company you are spending the money, right? In the company you are spending the money, you are paying salaries. Yeah. Now accountant salary will go to which department? Finance department. Correct? HR recruiter will go to which department? HR recruiter salary.
HR department.
That department.
Production laborer salary.
Wages.
Wages will go to which department?
Employee.
No, department in the company. Employee is not a department. No?
Finance. Sir.
Wages, labor working in the production.
Payroll department.
Production department.
Sales executive salary.
Sales department.
But
Understood, no? Yeah. So depending upon the expenditure, no, which department you are spending the money, that we create it as a cost center. So finance department is one cost center. HR department another cost center. Sales department another cost center. We divide each department. When the company departments are there, no, department will automatically become the cost center. Is it clear now? So cost center, everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
What about other people?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
yes, sir.
Cost center, everybody is clear?
Clear, sir.
Whenever you are spending the money, you will be definitely spending for a department, no? You have to
Yes.
tell which department. If you are paying the rent, okay, which department? Is it finance department, HR department, sales department? No, you have to tell. Second thing, internal order. Sometimes apart from this, sometimes you spend money on some events, job or a task, no? Correct? Every time you don't spend for department only. Like annual day event is there. Annual day. You are spending the money, you are paying the rent for the auditorium. Big auditorium you hired, 10 lakhs per day. That auditorium rent you are paying. That rent you can post to any department.
No.
Auditorium rent. No, right? So you have to create some other object, no? That
Internal
object
order.
is the internal order. Annual day related expenditures you collect separately. Okay? Then WBS, everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So how many types of cost objects we have?
Three.
Three. What are they?
Cost center,
Cost
internal
center,
order,
internal
WBS.
For internal
WBS.
orders, WBS.
Okay. So here when it is asking the question, na, it will not ask cost center, it will ask cost object. So when it is asking, you don't know, no, what you will give. So that's why it will ask cost object. Cost object is a common word. Okay. So here when it is asking, here you can give cost center, you can give internal order, you can give, or WBS, anything you can give, because all of them are cost object. So at the time of asking the question, system does not know what you will give. That's why it is giving a common name, cost object. Tell me the cost object. So here, when you give, you can give what you can give. You can give cost center, you can give internal order, you can give, or WBS.
WBS.
Is it clear? Yeah. All of
Yes.
you clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Based on
Yeah.
where we spend.
Yes.
Exactly. So, what is the difference between a cost object and a cost center? What is the
Cost-
difference?
Cost center is a
Cost object, cost center is a part of cost object.
Cost, yeah, cost center is one type of cost object.
cost object.
Correct. So, that is actually cost object you don't create. There is nothing like cost object. You don't create a cost object. It is a common word to refer to any of them. General word. Is it clear? Yeah. So you will create a cost center, you will create internal order, you will create WBS, but you don't create cost object. But when it is asking, you can give any one of them. Is it clear? Yeah. So here, when you are giving here, the data will not come as it is into CO. Okay. So in CO, you will have cost objects will be there, like, you know, F100 cost center, H100 cost center. Understand? Like this, you will have the cost centers. No, P100 cost center. We have annual day cost, internal order, like that. Na? Annual day 2025. You understand? Like that it is. So if here, if you give here F100, if you give here, then this will show under F100. Understand? If you give here H100, HR department, this will 1 lakh will go to H100. If you give here P100, production department, then this 1 lakh will show under P100. This is how it will show in the CO. Is it clear?
Yes.
So in CO, it will not come directly like this. No? It will come under various cost object. If you give here annual day 2025, it will show under annual, internal order. So in CO, we are collecting the cost object wise. Is it clear? Yeah. Got it? So first of all, once a GL account is a cost element, we definitely have to answer this question. What question? Cost object. Cost object you have to give. Without giving cost object, suppose if I am not giving here, no, it will not allow me to post. Understand? Compulsorily, I have to give the cost object. So when I give cost object only, it will allow me to post. Is it clear? That is. Everybody clear on this?
Yes, sir.
So before a GL account is a cost element, you can post any number of times. Nobody will ask anything. But once a GL account is a cost element, it will ask, okay, you are spending the money na, for whom? Tell
Where
me.
the money is going.
For where it is going. For whom you are spending the money? Tell me the cost object. So you have to answer that question. So controlling already started. You see the word controlling?
Yes,
We
sir.
started controlling, asking questions.
Mhm.
Without answering the question, is it permitted?
No.
Not permitted. So controlling started. You know na the word controlling? Yeah. Clear?
Sir, controlling CO module material we didn't get, sir.
Okay. You will get. Okay. Let me note down. Okay. Okay. No problem.
I think I got, sir. I got it one time only. FI and CO2.
Slide. Just check.
Was sent, sir. 192 pages module is there, sir. No CO module, sir.
You will get probably, you know, some variation. Some students they pay in installments. There are, so I don't know. I don't involve in admin. They will share. Just connect with you with them. They will share. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
See, some students they join, you know, only, you know, CO they join. Some students they join only F5 also. Outside people. Like. Just check with them, they will provide.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right, okay. So you understood, guys, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So if a GL account is not a cost element, no problem. No questions. But once a GL account is a cost element, compulsorily you have to say, object, tell me for whom you are spending the money. Correct? So I can give, when system is asking cost object, I can give what answer? I can give a cost object, cost center I can give, or internal order I can give, or
Yes.
because when I'm spending the money, I may spend for a department I can spend for a job, event or a task, or I can do for a project management. I have divided the project into small part. That part I will give. Clear? Good.
Yes.
Right? Anybody not understood this? Because this is important. This is the basics of CIVO.
Foundation.
Anybody not understood?
Clear, sir.
Clear? See, you see, I will show you. Some other, not yours is not ready now. Now I will show you. I will go to some other company code. Okay. So now I'm giving the date, no? Giving the date. Okay. Then giving the account number. Debit. Some number I'm giving. Okay. Say 30,000. See what it's asking?
Cost object.
An assignment to a cost of.
So without giving cost object, can I post?
No.
So give an order or cost center, it is saying, you see? Okay. So here what I will give now? Here I will give some cost center I give. Okay. I give like this F100. Then it is happy. Okay.
This
Thank you.
F100, H100, we have to create, right, sir? Or
Cost
else those are
centers.
standards.
Yeah. Without giving them, you cannot post now. According to the any name you can create. The company will have a nomenclature. According to that, they create. Okay? Yeah. So we are creating finance as F100, easy to remember. HR as H100, production as P100, sales as S100, like that. Got it, guys? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
If I don't give, sorry, not permitted. See, red, not even yellow. Understood? Why? Because this GL account is a cost element. Correct? So compulsorily I have to give my cost, or order I can give anything. I don't remember what they created. I'm assuming this is correct. Okay, it's not there. Let me check what order they created. Okay, not this controlling area. Their controlling area, right? Okay, this year you see annual day 2025 they created. No problem. Yeah. Yes. You see? Happy now. Now happy? Yeah. So you can give order, you can give cost center or anything. No? Anything is okay for it. Is it clear? But if I don't give?
Not allow, not permitting.
Got it? Yeah.
So Monday we have 7 o'clock class.
Monday we have, yes guys. Monday you have class at 7 o'clock. Yeah. So Monday timings
for
will be?
Monday.
No. Continuous. From Monday onwards it will be?
7.
Monday onwards your class timing will be from Monday onwards it will be 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay guys. All of you clear? Monday onwards 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. Now we will have. Okay guys? Yeah.
Sir, in depreciation posting run done in AW01N, it's not showing green square.
You have to run the depreciation, ma.
Sir, I have done, but
You have to remove the background job, na. You have to do not a test run, original run you have to do.
yeah, I have removed.
So you did the background job and all, you completed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Still it is not showing green. You
No.
did for which month you did?
Sir, yesterday.
No, which period you did?
Sir, which period? Multiple level.
That's why, Ma, you should do when the asset accounting is happening in the class. Now it's been 2-3 weeks now. Now we are in tables completed. We are in CO.
Yes, sir. I've done 2 to 3 times, but it's showing. Yeah.
Just put it on Telegram. Na, let them see your system. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Happy weekend, guys. We will meet on Monday at 7 a.m. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, guys.
Sir.
Thank you. And remember
Thank you,
this,
sir.
remember today's class, cost element, cost object, cost center. Remember, yeah? Yeah,
Yes.
please. This subject is a build on, as I said, na, build on subject. Yeah.
So,
Okay,
so
guys.
admin people will send the link before 7 a.m. sir.
Yeah, they will share.
Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Thanks.
Right, guys. Thank you. Then happy
Thank you,
weekend,
sir.
guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you.